Hello everybody, it's JustMan Gaming here, and today I will be making a shoutout video. I will be giving a shoutout to one of my friends I met on Xbox. He subscribed to me, and I subscribed to him. Go show him some support, go and show him some love. Like, subscribe, and his YouTube channel name is always going to be Gaming Boy. If you do not know what his account icon looks like, it is black and green, and it has, I actually didn't get to see it, but if you want to see one of his videos, it's Gaming Boy Poor Lizard, capital G, and then lowercase AMING, space capital B, lowercase lowercase OY, space POOR, and then space lizard, LIZARD. Alright, see you all next time. Bye bye.